guys, so today I wanted to unbox the Spongebob Squarepants and Cactus Plant Flea Market Uniqlo collection that is set to release on the 19th of December. I was so hyped when I heard about this collection because I'm a huge fan of CPFM and I love SpongeBob, so this whole collection, I needed all of it. So let's start off with the plushies. We have Patrick as well as SpongeBob, and because it is a CPFM collab, they both have the double eyes, which I think is so cute. And on SpongeBob's finger, you can see there is the CPFM smiley face as well. If you guys have not heard of CPFM or Cactus Plant Flea Market, it is a brand founded by Cynthia Liu, and she's done a bunch of collaborations with brands like Nike, McDonald's, Kid Cudi, and you've definitely seen Pharrell rocking her stuff. And she has a very distinct design style, and I've been a fan of her work for a long time now, and so I was so excited when I heard that she has a collab with Uniqlo and SpongeBob. I'm wearing one of the t-shirts from the collection, and this is my favorite print out of everything. It has like a SpongeBob family print, and I just think it looks so cute. And sizing wise, I find that the t-shirts are definitely oversized. I am wearing a size medium, and as you guys can see, the sleeves are quite long, and I have been wearing it tucked in because it is quite long on me. If you like an oversized fit, you could definitely go true to size, but if you don't want something so baggy, I recommend sizing down. I just wanted to tell you guys about sizing in case you are planning on copying the collection online. Sorry, I'm trying to open this box and it's making a weird sound. So anyway, with the collection, there are 4 different t-shirts, including this one. There is this one with a huge SpongeBob print on the front, and then on the back, we have a print of Patrick. There's also a t-shirt in green. On the back, there is SpongeBob with like a smiley face illustration. On the front here, there is like this dollar bill or like money. Do they have like a particular currency in Bikini Bottom? I don't know. There's also this t-shirt in black, so it says I don't need it. All the t-shirts have a print on the front and back except for the one that I'm wearing. And then there are also 3 different hoodies with this collection. And in terms of sizing, I find that the hoodie is also a little bit oversized. I'm wearing size small in the hoodie, and I think it fits me pretty well. It is still slightly oversized. I also love that the hoodies come with pockets, and they're just super soft and cozy. And the gray one, once again, has my favorite print, and it doesn't have anything on the back. And then the other 2 hoodies come with a print on the front and the back. We have this navy one here that has a Krabby Patty on the front, and on the back it says the Krusty Krab, and then it has the address to the Krusty Krab. And the last hoodie is in black, and it has a big SpongeBob print on the front, and then on the back there is a floral print and it says SpongeBob Squarepants. Lastly, there is this navy cap that has the Krusty Krab address on there, and I think the whole collection is just super cute, and I cannot wait for this collection to drop. Big shout out to Uniqlo for sending me the whole range. I love it so much, and I'm gonna pick up another one of these t-shirts, probably in a smaller size, just for those days where I don't feel like wearing something too oversized. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my little unboxing, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.